This is the Integrator home screen, from which you can reach all system modules with a simple click of a single button. Clicking on the Navigation button takes us instantly to the Integrator Navigation Cockpit home screen. This is the Integrator Navigation Cockpit home screen, from which any module in the application can be accessed. Clicking on the Prioritize Simulation Navigation button instantly takes us to the Simulation Prioritization Decision Support module. This is the Simulation Prioritization Decision Support module home screen. Clicking on the Summary Navigation button in the Versus Target column takes us to the section of the screen that provides the optimization table for all of the summary statement simulation key performance indicators with all of the projects grouped within each table. The first table, as we can see, is the optimization table for the improvement in earnings per common share, extracted from the results of the investment cases for each of the projects. The details of all of the columns in this optimization table will be discussed in the video on automated optimization, in the section dedicated to the competitive advantages of the Simulation Decision Support module. The table, as we can see, is initially sorted in alphabetical order, with the average and the target rows at the bottom of the table. The structure of each optimization run is the same, and it's defined by the choices you make using these two green pull-down menus. The first, we have to select the metric, the green pull-down menu, and we see there are three choices. So let's choose % share of total dollar change to show the % share that each project would achieve of the total projected change in earnings per share across all projects of the portfolio. Second, we have to choose the type of analysis. Again, green pull-down menu. This defines the type of optimization and the name of the column that will display the optimized results. Let's select Versus % target to show the difference between each projected value and the target value expressed as a percentage of this target value. Note also that to direct you immediately to the appropriate columns, the system color codes the target metric in green and the optimization column in gold. Therefore, the optimized results will be displayed in this column at the far left-hand side of the table with the heading Versus % target. Go back to the optimization table. Now simply clicking the Prioritize Navigation button immediately results in the optimized results being displayed in this Versus % target column. As we can see, the projected results are optimized in descending order, with the projects most exceeding the % target at the top, the best project, and the worst performing project at the bottom. So we can see that Chicago is the best project at 53% improvement in earnings per share above the target of a 20% share. And we can also see that Boston is the worst performing project at more than 35% below the target. Also note that only Chicago and Minneapolis were able to outperform the target, and that no other projects were able to outperform even the average of all projects. Now simply clicking on the Restore button restores this entire optimization table to its original alphabetic-based sequence, as we can see. Let's go back to the top of the page, and clicking on this Return to Top takes us back to the top of the screen and in a position now to do any other one-click optimization that we want. This concludes the overview of the Integrator Simulation Decision Support module.